This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Toyota Camry oil filter. Before starting any automotive work, safety is paramount. Always ensure your vehicle is securely supported on jack stands and the wheels are chalked. Gather all your materials beforehand, including around 5 quarts of fresh 0W20 synthetic oil, a new oil filter, and a new drain plug gasket. Don't forget your safety glasses and gloves. Once your Camry is safely elevated, slightly warm the engine for a few minutes. This helps the old oil flow out more efficiently. Now, locate the oil drain plug, typically a 14mm bolt, on the bottom of the oil pan. Position your drain pan directly beneath it. Carefully loosen and remove the plug, allowing the used oil to completely drain into the pan. This usually takes about 10 minutes. After the oil has drained, replace the drain plug with a new gasket, tightening it to between 18 and 30 foot-pounds. Next, locate and remove the old oil filter using an oil filter wrench. Be prepared for a small amount of residual oil. Clean the engine's filter mating surface thoroughly. Apply a thin film of new oil to the rubber gasket of your new filter, then hand tighten it until snug, followed by 1/4 to 3/4 of a turn, or to 10 to 18 foot-pounds with a torque wrench. With the new filter and drain plug secure, it's time to add fresh engine oil. Using a funnel, pour approximately 4.5 to 5 quarts of 0W20 synthetic oil into the engine's filler neck. Start the engine for about 30 seconds to circulate the oil, then turn it off and wait a few minutes. Check the oil level using the dipstick, adding more if needed to reach the full mark. Finally, properly dispose of your used oil and filter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.